Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to separate your audios in OBS Studio. Before we start adding and mixing everything up, we've got to disable the base audios, desktop audio and mic audio. To do this, we go to settings, find audio, find global audio devices. Here we'll find desktop audio and mic auxiliary audio. We'll make sure these are set to disabled. And to apply them, we just click apply and OK. Now to add our audio devices, we have to click Application Audio Capture. Name this, let's say, Spotify. Press Enter. Then you would want to find this, Spotify. Then you will click Match Title. Match Title, otherwise find a window of same executable. Click that. Click OK. As you can see, we have it here. Now if we were to play Spotify, we would want to aim for around just below your normal mic volume. So if your mic volume goes to about 15 when you're speaking normally, you'd want to put your Spotify audio to about 25 here. Now if we wanted to add Discord, we would repeat that step. Click and type in Discord. Okay. Then we will find Discord on here. I don't have Discord open at the minute, so it won't be on here. But you want to make sure you select Match Title, otherwise find Window of Same Executable. And click OK again. Now you have them. Now if we were to add our microphone, we want to click Audio Input Capture and select mic, or type mic, sorry. Press enter, and device, you'd want to make it your microphone. And there, now we are speaking, you can see, I usually aim for my microphone volume to be around 20 to 15. Now if you wanted to add like your game audio, YouTube audio, any other audio, you would want to click the plus icon and add one of them again, and then name it game or YouTube. Then you'll just want to find your game in the Windows section and put the same thing, find Windows same executable.